The monkeying.
Kumar, what are we doing?
Monkeying.
Monkey.
Oh no, Sweden! Take your time, Sweden. Oh my gosh! Look at this.
We'll be catching you.
This is wild. So I wasn't gonna film today, but whew, we're in the middle of the mountains somewhere in Camiguin on this mystical quest for this random waterfall, and we have a new friend from Sweden. Go Sweden! She's killing it. Nice one. Up here. Good job. Good job. All right, Team Sweden. Team Sweden, and then in the front, Team Philippines. Nice one, Team Philippines.
Team, not Philippines now.
Philippines.
The Philippines. Woo! All right. So we're on a quest. We woke up with big hangovers after fiesta in Baylao, and I wasn't gonna film anything, but I think you need to see this because we're going on this epic quest up the side of the mountains in Camiguin to find a waterfall, and I'm excited. Woo! Brad, I'm wearing board shorts and chanelas. We're all wearing board shorts and chanelas.
It's been...
This is insane. This is wild. The board shorts chanelas mountain quest through little passageways in the middle of a mountain in Camiguin. This is adventure. I love it. There's some bread. Kumar, ¿cómo está Philippines, bread?
Good. I'm in work. Yeah. I'm in work with...
Kumar. Para and bread.
Para with the Swedish girl. In front of me.
Para and means he's flirting.
No. No. More than that.
Aye. Leicester.
Oh yeah. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. I'm okay. I'm with Kulas.
You need to find yourself a Filipino barkada. Life will be beautiful, I'm telling you. Oh. Leicester, let's vlog. Ready? Here we go.
Yes.
I'm gonna teach Leloy how to be a vlogging host. Here we go. Loy, give me your best.
Vlog. I'm drinking, man.
Oh. Whew. You know what? A 1 hour bushwhack hangover after fiesta trek in the mountains of Camiguin? Worth it. It's like a secret grotto. Like you just roll into this magical mystery grotto in the middle of the mountains of Camiguin. This is so cool. Holy smokes. This is incredible, check it out. The bed! Baylao! Yeah! That's a freaking epic waterfall, eh? It's like an Asik-Asik Falls here in Camiguin Island. Look at it! Look now, Brad! He's literally drinking the water from the waterfalls. It's that clean here. Nice one, Brad. Oh, go. Sige. That's my first ever waterfall shot here in Camiguin. I love it.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Freezing cold.
I want to go in, but I'm scared now because Kumar says it's so cold. Look at that, the oyster! Oyster! This has got to be the coldest waterfalls in Camiguin. We're probably like 1,000 feet up in the freaking side of volcanoes. I don't want to go in! No! Oh, that's really cold! Woo!
Ah. I'm shaking.
We're smiling.
So cold! So awesome! Sinagin, this is amazing. So a local random waterfall mission, and now we're gonna eat local sinagin. Sinagin's like a puso made with banana and coconut and all sorts of good stuff. Check it out. Yeah, that's the local food here in Camiguin. Very good. All right, it's good.
I love it. Perfect.
Even the Swedes like it.
Yeah, amazing. I'm gonna bring this back to Sweden, I promise.
Sinagin for more.
Yes.
Even the Swedish people like it. Yeah. Go Sweden. Look at the
That is
waterfall. That's really good.
Yes.
You can do it. One more shot. Yeah. Yeah, nice one, Kuya. Slava, bro. Woo! Woo! Yes. Shot for more. Shot Palaiga. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I'm still hungover, but I'm not as hungover anymore because of this beautiful freaking waterfall.
Beautiful guy.
Bansi, Brad, Bansi. Yes, victory. This is gonna be the most boring video ever, but I don't care. It's gonna be awesome because it's a freaking beautiful waterfall. Yes. That had to be one of the best hangover days ever, hey? What a trek up here in the middle of the Buchan in Camiguin. That's Mantigi Island down there, so just goes to show how far up we went to go find this waterfalls. An awesome place, another beautiful spot in Camiguin. And again, even touristy places like Camiguin, they still have cool spots to discover and explore, so go Philippines. Check out Mantigi, beautiful.